So today is Tuesday. It's kind of later in the day. I'm about to get started on dinner. I saw this recipe on Instagram a while back. It's called lasagna rolls. Kind of like lasagna, but you roll them up. We've been hooked ever since. Listen, okay? And normally I make it with turkey, ground turkey, but I didn't have any, but I do have ground beef, so I'm just gonna use that. Oh, and there are the kids. I'm gonna go ahead and start on that. The house is clean. Oh, and we're listening to a playlist right now. What is this man's name? His channel is really good. Bobby and Singa, something like that. I don't know. His playlist is really good. He puts together like different R&B mixes. I don't know, you should find them on YouTube, and just it's good to have if you're like cleaning up the house or you're cooking, like what I'm about to do, just to have it playing in the background, you know, give you a nice little vibe. First thing we're about to do, since it's a nice little ambiance around here, I'm about to light a candle, pour me some Moscato. Fun fact, I can't do, if you see my wine glass, it's like warped from the dishwasher, but I can't do glass wine glasses because a wine glass shredded my thumb one year, and yeah, I've been like terrified of them ever since. So my husband got me these little plastic wine glasses from Target, so that's why they look like this, but still get the job done, okay?
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm bad. Most of the things I don't.
Food is done, and look how good this looks, y'all. So good. And I got new plates. I guess they're called bowling plates. I don't know, but so cute. I'm about to add a little bit more cheese on top, and I'm about to dig in. The kids just got theirs, and yes, they got a little basil on theirs as well, because I like to make the food look like restaurant quality. Is it good, Khalil? So yeah, we're gonna eat, and I think we're just gonna chill the rest of the night. So I've been a terrible vlogger. We've been doing things, and I just completely forget to pick up a camera and vlog. So my bad about that. But today I am taking out this hair, because if you can't see, look at all this. Now it's cute when you gel it down and you have like long baby edges and stuff, but it is time to come out. So I'm about to make me a coffee, and then I'm gonna take my hair out and wash it, and probably do a face mask, because if y'all can't see, I'm breaking out. It's almost that time of the month. Get my little cup. I don't know about y'all, but I love me some Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. I love it more than Starbucks, more than any other coffee I tried. I know a lot of people like to talk trash about Dunkin', but I love them. So I'm gonna make me a little mocha coffee. I have the Dunkin' just original cold, and then of course they're extra sweet cream and sugar mix. So I'm just gonna put some mocha syrup, some chocolate regular Hershey syrup, and then mix the two, and then you have your mocha iced coffee from Dunkin' at home. Okay. All right, so we have our cup. Put a little bit like that. Ooh, so satisfying. All right. Oh. I gotta do something with my hair, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and do a face mask, and I have to dye my gray hairs right here, and I might tint my eyebrows. I don't know, I'm just about to give myself a whole makeover because I'm just tired of looking crusty. So, like, I feel like my hair would be okay, you know, like when you lay down your edges, and I don't know. I'm just about to cut it out and take it off because my head is itching anyway. So, go ahead. Take these braids out. I may or may not redo my hair. I don't know. I don't know. Is she? Where's my hair? Down here just to be safe. I look like Felicia for real now, don't I? I feel like I'm giving Felicia vibes right now. You know what I'm saying? All right. So I'm still taking my braids out here, and I'm watching The Have and the Have-Nots. I don't know, I've been really into that show lately. Do y'all watch that? I'm on season 4. I know they don't make it anymore. I don't know if they stopped it last year or the year before last. I don't know. I just started the season on Hulu a couple months ago, and I'm on season 4 now. That show is the only show that I've ever seen in my life where the drama gets worse. Every time I watch an episode, I feel like it can't get any worse than this. And then the next episode, it's like 10 times more drama. It's like it never stops. It just, but it's so good. Tyler Perry did such a good job on that show. It's like I'm addicted. All right, so all the braids have been taken out. This is my hair. I'm pretty sure I cut some of my hair off when I was cutting the braids because my ends look really blunt. I am about to dye my gray hair up here. I don't even know if you can really see it in the camera, but I do have like a patch of gray hair in this area. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and tint my eyebrows. I use the Just For Men beard dye treatments on my grays and to dye my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I literally leave it on for like a minute or two, not very long. For my hair, I'll probably leave it on a little bit longer, like around 5 minutes. This is what it looks like. I just started around with the end of that. And I'm gonna use this little applicator that it came with to put it right here. And then let me see my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are looking a little crazy right now, but that's okay. Go ahead and take this and put it on my grays. And sometimes I'll just do my whole hairline. Just because it also gives it that like full effect, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair out, and then I'll be back. All right, so my hair has been washed and conditioned and detangled. And I went in with Miss Jessie's soft curls and distributed it all throughout the hair, scrunched up a little bit. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry. I'm not gonna air dry it fully. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do my mask first. I'm using this Aztec mask. So I'm just trying to get myself together. So I'm going to do my mask, and then I'll meet y'all back soon. Ooh, it's hot out here. Hi guys. So today, it is so hot, you guys. today I am going to shoot some content. I am a UGC creator, content creator, so I do create content for brands on like the back end, outside of like publishing onto my social medias. They send me stuff and I create content for them to use. So that's what I'm going to do now. I forgot my lip gloss in the car, which freaking sucks, and I don't feel like going back to get it. So today I am shooting for Kalia in this dress here, and because it's summer, I had to bring the kids along with me. So here they are. Say hi, kids. So I think they're just gonna run around and play or something while I get the content that I need. I just need one picture, so hopefully it won't be too long. I can't believe I forgot my lip gloss. Ugh, my lips are gonna look dry and crusty. All right, so I'm gonna try to get this shot, and yeah. Disconnect. This is how I shoot all my content myself. I connect it through Wi-Fi. Yeah, so I connect it through Wi-Fi and then basically shoot it on my phone, or control it from my phone or a thing. And yeah, so I think I got what I need. Like a million people walk through all of my shots, but it's okay. I'm done. I think we're about to go to Costco. I gotta get a couple things, and then we're gonna go to the library. So that's what we're doing, and I'll see you guys. So this here they have, it's like a back to school all-in-one. It has pencils, Sharpies, dry erase markers, glue, and it's only $10. So I think I'm gonna get one. Costco also has these Adidas like hoodies for kids. Really cute. Oh, they're like two-colored or two-toned. It's really cute. Just something to think about. I only came in here to get toilet paper and paper towels, and I'm getting distracted with stuff like this. Costco has everything. Wait, where are the $32? Did they go up? Guess we're getting this. Ugh. Jenna, if you want to take some green tea.
What is that? Come on, you put your mouth on this side? Yeah.
Hi guys. So it is currently Saturday. We're outside the animal shelter because we are fostering little kitties. Are y'all excited, Janai?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
So we're getting 2 or 3 little kitties. They're already litter trained and everything. They've already had their first round of vaccination. So we're just gonna be keeping them, I think, 2 or 3 weeks, just until they gain enough weight to be adopted out. So we're about to go in here and see what this is about. I've never fostered any animals before, so this is a new experience for us all. Kyrie, you excited?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we're about to do. And I'll show you the kitties when we get back. Home with our kitties. Look at how cute. Hi, babies. I gotta figure out how to open this thing. Hold on. Hi, baby. We'll see once they, the gray one is not interested at all. We gotta name them.
You want it?
All right, guys, so we are home. We're gonna enjoy these little kitties and see if they'll get used to us for a little bit. And I'll see you guys next week. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.